So children, the mineral resources of India may be divided into three categories. Which are they? Metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals and mineral fuel. So we are going to learn about each one in detail. First one is metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Okay. Iron ore, manganese, bauxite, etc. are the chief metallic minerals available in India. Which are the metallic minerals available in India? Iron ore, then manganese, bauxite. These are the names of main metallic minerals available in India, etc. Metallic minerals. Okay, so first we are going to learn about iron ore. India occupies the 4th position in the world in production of iron ore. Okay, India has the 4th position in the production in the world. India occupies 4th position in the production of this metallic mineral iron ore. The principal iron mines of India are in Bihar, Odisha, Goa, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. These are the states we can find the main iron mines of India. Mining means what? Mining means, children, the process of digging some things from the ground. That is called mining. Process of digging things out of the ground. So like that we dig. People dig and we find this minerals. Okay. Mining means process of digging things out of the ground. That why we are mining? Because we won't able to find these minerals in nature as it is. We can't find as it is. So we need to mine it, or we need to dig it from the ground. Okay, to get this minerals. So all these minerals we used to mine, we say, to dig from the ground, deep from the ground, deep inside the earth. Okay, the famous iron mines are at Navmundi, Goa and Bajabda in Singhbujam district of Bihar, Mayurbhanj, Keonar and Cuttack districts of Odisha and Kudremukh and Hospet districts of Karnataka. These are the places where we find this iron ores, iron mines. Okay. So the first metallic mineral is iron ore. Okay. And for production of iron, we use iron for making steel and all. What is the use of iron? We need iron for building purpose, for making steel, and steel we use for making automobiles, some bicycle and our plates, our utensils, etc. So iron has many different uses. Production of iron. Why we are producing iron? From iron ore. Ore means from ore we get some metal. Ore is a mineral from where we get some metal. Some metal is are there inside the ore. So that is called ore. Okay, so iron ore we use for many different purposes. As I said you, for building purposes, then for the production of steel, and this steel we use for making in the automobile process, then for in other vehicles, ships, bicycles, etc. So these are the uses of iron. So India occupies 4th position in the world in the production of iron ore, and we get all these minerals by mining, means digging, the process of digging the mineral out from the ground. And there are many states where we can find this iron ore. Okay. So children, the next metallic mineral we are going to learn about is manganese. Okay, manganese. Manganese. It is used in making steel. Manganese also we used to make steel, as I said you in iron also. So iron, after production of iron we use it for making steel. Same thing in manganese also, that mineral is used for making steel. Steel is very strong, children, very strong. So we can use it for making utensils, other items like automobiles, vehicles, etc. India occupies the 4th position in the world in the production of manganese. Iron ore also India occupies 4th position. Same here also in manganese production also India occupies 4th place. Then the manganese mines are located at, and where we get this manganese, from where we have to dig it, found in some states in India, were located at Nagpur and Ratnagiri of Maharashtra, Balaghat and Chhindwara of Madhya Pradesh, Singhbhum of Bihar, and the districts of Sundargarh, Koraput, Kalanandi and Bolangir of Odisha. Okay, these are the states where we can find the manganese more. We can mine manganese in these states of India. Okay. Now the next mineral we are going to learn about is gold. Okay, gold. It is a very valuable mineral. Yeah, it is so precious, we say, because we use it for ornaments, for jewelries, isn't it? So it is a very precious metal. A small quantity of gold is available in India. As I said to you earlier in the beginning of the chapter, gold, silver, etc. these minerals are not available more in India. According to our demand, these minerals are not available. So only a small quantity of gold is available in India. Gold is mined at Kolar and Hutti of Karnataka. So it is available but only in small quantity. Where, let's see, it is mined at Kolar and Hutti of Karnataka and at Ramagiri in the district of Anantapur of Andhra Pradesh. Then gold also occurs at some parts of Tamil Nadu, then Kozhikode of Kerala and Junjun districts of Rajasthan. These are the places where we can find gold mines. In these places we have to do the process of digging out things from the ground. It is called mining. Then gold serves as the most vital element, means most important, of international banking. International banking means, yeah, this banking helps us to do business to the companies from different countries. We can do business with different countries. So that is called international banking system. It controls international banking helps in doing business out of the countries. It controls the country's monetary system, as it is the accepted standard of foreign exchange. Monetary system. Monetary system. Monetary system means a system by which government provides money. It provides money for our country. Monetary system where country's currency, India's currency is rupee, coin, rupee. So India's currency, the paper money, it has a value directly linked with gold. Okay, so we use gold as for exchange of money. We use gold as a fixed quantity, fixed amount we say, to convert our currency to a fixed quantity of gold for the business purpose and all. I said you, for international banking, it helps us doing business to the companies of different countries. So there comes this in country's monetary system, a system by which government provides money. They provide some money like our paper money, they convert directly to the amount of gold. Okay, this serves gold like this by doing business with different countries. Okay, so monetary system is a system by which government provides money in country's economy, where a country's currency, like our paper money, it has a value directly linked to the gold. Okay, so gold is a very valuable mineral. It's a precious metal, we can say, and it is available in very small quantity in India. So there are few places where we get gold, or gold mines are located at a few states in India. Then it is a main element or main factor of international banking, where we can do business to the companies of different countries, and it controls the country's monetary system, where our money, Indian currency, can be directly linked to the gold. Okay. As children, so we are learning about metallic minerals of India, and there are metallic minerals of India like iron ore, manganese, bauxite, etc. And we learned about iron ore, and we get all these minerals by mining, means process of digging out from this earth, from deep inside the earth. We are digging and taking out this minerals. All these are minerals we are getting in the process of digging, okay, or mining process. So iron ore, it occupies the 4th position in the world in the production of iron ore, and we can find a few states where we get this iron ore, and we use this iron for the production of steel, and in steel in turn we use for making vehicles, automobiles, other items like our plates, our utensils and all, etc. Isn't it? Same like that manganese. Manganese also is a mineral that we get through mining, and it is also used for making steel, and there are many states where we can find or we can get this mineral manganese. Next we learned about gold. Gold is our precious metal or a valuable mineral, we say. Okay, we use gold ornaments, we use gold for giving rewards for medals, statues, trophies, etc. for Olympics or Nobel Prize winners. Okay, for Oscar awards. In all these things, in all this field we use gold. But in India we have only a small quantity of gold. A large quantity is not there in India. There are some states where we can get gold mines, but gold is not available in a large quantity. According to our need or our demand, we won't able to find gold in India. So that's why gold is using as in the exchange of money purpose, or we say in monetary system. It plays a very important role in international banking, doing business with other companies in different countries for exchange of money in monetary system. It is a system by which government provides money. So government provides money to other countries, and we buy gold from them and we store it, because in India we have not large quantity of gold. So for exchange of money system or exchange of things, India use gold. They purchase all these buy gold. We buy gold and we store it here for exchange of things. Gold is sometimes we use it as a currency. Why? Because gold rate always vary, always changes. Today's rate won't be there for tomorrow. Tomorrow also maybe gold rate. It can be more or less. So it fluctuates always, or going on increasing some times always, isn't it? So what we do for exchange of things for different countries and all, India use this system, monetary system. We like in exchange of things and all, we buy gold and we store it. Okay, it is accepted as standard of foreign exchange for exchange of things. Okay, next is copper. Next mineral we are going to learn about is copper. Okay, it is very much necessary in electrical industry. So copper we use more in electrical, for making electrical things, electrical items. It is also used as an alloy to make brass utensils. Alloy means mix of metals. Many metals combine together to form an alloy, we say A-L-L-O-Y, alloy. Okay. So it is also used as an alloy to make brass utensils. Brass, brass metals we have. Utensils we have glass, plates made of brass, yellow colored metal. Okay. The chief copper mines of India are located at Mosabani and Pataragarh of Bihar and Khetri of Rajasthan. In addition to it, copper deposits are also located at Balaghat of Madhya Pradesh, Junjun and Alwar of Rajasthan, and Chitradurg districts of Karnataka. These are the states where we can find copper mines. Copper mines are located at these places in India. Okay. So we use copper mainly for electrical wiring, children. Mainly in our houses, electrical connection is there. When we switch on the light, lights will come, isn't it? We switch on the TV, TV will work. So this all are working through some wires. We connect that wire to the plug. Then we switch on. Then the thing will work. Even if it is TV, fridge, mixie, grinder, whatever, isn't it? So that wire, inside the wire color may be black or white, but inside actually what is there? Copper wires are there. So copper we mainly used in electrical wiring purpose. Okay. Then next is bauxite. Next mineral we are going to learn about bauxite. Bauxite, aluminium metal, is produced from the bauxite ore. From bauxite ore we get aluminium. Okay. From bauxite ore we get the metal aluminium. Aluminium we get from bauxite. A-L-U-M-I-N-I-U-M, aluminium. Okay. Aluminium metal is produced from the bauxite ore. Ore means a mineral that has a valuable metal inside it. Like iron ore I told. In the ore we can find the metal. It is a mineral. Ore means a mineral only where we can find a valuable metal. From the valuable metal aluminium is present in which ore? Bauxite. Okay. This ore means sometimes we can found on the earth's surface. If it is not found, we will again mine it to get that mineral. India is self-sufficient in production of this mineral ore. Bauxite occurs. So India is self-sufficient. There are a large amount of bauxite or aluminium we can find in India. Bauxite occurs at Lohardaga and Maidanpat of Bihar, Bhavnagar and Junagadh of Gujarat, Surguja and Raigarh of Madhya Pradesh, Belgaum of Karnataka, Chandgiri, Panchapattamali and Gandhavardhan of Odisha. These are the places where we can find bauxite. Okay, the mineral bauxite. It occurs at these states, the places of these states. Okay. So bauxite is the aluminium. Bauxite means from bauxite ore we are getting the valuable metal aluminium. And India is self-sufficient. Means in the production of this mineral ore, India is self-sufficient, we say. We find a large quantity of this ore in India, in these places which I read now. Now, next is lead, zinc and silver. Lead, L-E-A-D, lead, then zinc, then silver. Okay. These minerals are available in small quantities in India, just like gold, silver, lead, zinc. These minerals also are available in lower quantity, small quantity, not in large quantity in India. Lead and zinc are mined at Zawar of Rajasthan. These are the place where we get lead and zinc, were in Rajasthan. Lead mines are also located at Kalimati of Bihar. Then silver is located from Savar of Rajasthan and from the gold mines at Kolar and Hutti of Karnataka. Besides, it is known as these metals are also deposited in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha and Sikkim. So these are the states where we can find the mines of lead, zinc and silver, but these minerals are available in very small quantity like gold, not in large quantity. And this lead, zinc and all we can uses means we use in car batteries and all, isn't it? Truck or vehicles, for vehicles, car batteries, trucks, we use lead, zinc and all. In your pencil, the word which you write, it contains lead. Okay. So in pipes or in plumbing materials, we use lead, zinc and all. Silver, it's a white metal. We use it as an ornament also, isn't it? Silver metal, silver plates also we have. Okay. For jewelry, for making mirrors, we use silver. For silver coins we have, isn't it? For all this purpose we use silver. Lead, zinc and all we use it for other purposes like in automobiles or like in car, for car battery, trucks, other vehicles, for pipes or for plumbing materials, for making that we use lead and zinc. So these are the metallic minerals. So which are metallic minerals we learn, children? Iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, gold, lead, zinc, silver. These are all the metallic minerals we say. Okay, iron ore, manganese, bauxite, etc. They are the chief metallic minerals available in India. First we learned about iron ore, isn't it? These minerals how we get through the process of mining. Mining means what? The process of digging out things from deep inside the ground, in the earth. Through that process we get these minerals. Iron ore occupies the 4th position in the world, in India. Okay, ore is a natural occurring substance actually. From the ore we get the valuable metal iron. Other metals we will get. From ore we are getting the valuable metals. So from iron ore we get iron. So for after getting iron we use it for making steel, and steel we use it for making other items. Okay, there are many states where we get this iron ore, or iron mines are found in different states of India.